Tired of blending in with the crowd in Roblox? Let's get you looking exactly how you want by changing your avatar's skin color in just a few easy steps. First, if you are on the app, tap the avatar icon at the bottom of your screen, or if you're on the website, look for the three lines in the top left corner and tap the avatar button on the side menu. Great, now that we are on the avatar customization screen, make sure you've selected the Customize tab. If not, click Customize. This is where all the magic happens. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Body. Click on Body to expand the customization options. In the Body section, you'll see a skin tone option. Click on Skin Tone to bring up the color palette. Now, the fun part, a color palette will appear, showcasing a wide range of skin tones. Simply click on the color you want your avatar to have. You can even scroll to the bottom and click Advanced for even more specific colors. And just like that, your avatar has a brand new look. Feel free to experiment with different shades until you find the perfect one to express your unique style. Now go rock that new look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.